Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make my delicious oxtail gravy stew, a recipe highly requested by some of our subscribers. I featured a glimpse of this recipe in a previous video. I'm using 1 kg of oxtails, pre-washed in cold water. I add to a pressure cooker along with 3 cups cold water, 1 tablespoon apple cider, 3 bay leaves and a few whole black peppercorns. Then pressure cook for 1.5 hours. I then separate the oxtail broth into a separate jug. In a separate pan, I added 4 tablespoons of oxtail broth, as well as 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I fry the onions on medium heat until they're soft and golden. I then added 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I start to add the broth back into the pan. I'm also using 1 teaspoon Royco Usavi mix, but you can use flour, plain flour, to thicken the sauce. Then add back the oxtails back into the sauce and cover them in the sauce. Add 1 to 2 cups of the broth back into the sauce, depending on how much sauce you need. Then cover the pot for about 10 to 15 minutes and reduce down the sauce. Oxtail gravy stew is now ready to serve. I serve my oxtail here with cider and some collard green vegetables, but you can also enjoy this oxtail with rice or bread. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this recipe. Until next time, bye for now. Thank you for watching.